Who is she to continuously disrespect or show disrespect to this body
Yan ang hinahanap namin.
as an
Hindi yung
institution
puro salita at
and
walang
to the
ginagawa.
Constitution?
Puro lang kayo
If she can
pamersonal.
afford to be
O, tingnan
showing
niyo yung
herself
ginawa ng
up
Vice
to
Presidente,
the
oh.
Senate, including being there and applauding
ang inyong,
the former
ang inintindi talaga ninyo.
Senate President in his privileged
Hindi
speech,
kami pinanganak
which is
kahapon. Alam na
definitely not
namin.
part of her mandate as the Vice President. Why
Tingnan
can't
mo
she
yung ginawa ng
not
Vice Presidente.
spare
Oh.
a few moments of
Uy!
her time attending to her official function as Vice President to defend
Hindi yung hinahanap
the
namin yung
of her office.
English mo dyan.
Enough
Yung
is
hinahanap namin
enough.
ito. Yung
Enough
ginawa niya, oh.
of her
Yan ang
craftiness
kailangan.
So,
Yan ang totoong
I rise
kailangan ng
today
bansa natin.
to manifest
Hindi
my
yung nakaupo lang
extreme
kayo.
displeasure
Puna ng puna.
about the behavior of our Vice
Ano nangyari sa
President.
bansa natin?
Now is not the time for protection. Now is not the time for immunity.
Yan ang
Now is not the time for conditions.
hinahangaan namin.
No? Ang kailangan ng taong bayan,
Pinuprotektahan yung tao.
transparency, paliwanag. The Filipino people deserve an acceptable explanation. We deserve better. With this po, Mr. Chair, good sponsor, I move to terminate
Tingnan natin.
the interpellation.